Your average revenue per user, or what some people refer to as your ARPU, is simply a calculation which says how much revenue did we generate in totality as a telecommunications company and how many users do we have. So on average, how much revenue did we generate from each user? And it really gives us an indication of how much sales we're making for each user or subscriber to our business. Now, importantly, we can also do this calculation for contract and prepaid users. So we might take out the revenue for contract users only, divided by the number of contract customers, and come to an ARPU for your contract users or contract customers. Similarly, we may do exactly the same thing for the prepaid. Just take the prepaid revenue and divide that by the number of customers and users on prepaid and see what the average revenue per user is for prepaid relative to contract. Contract will usually be significantly higher. Those are much more lucrative for the telecommunications companies because wealthier people generally have contracts. You can also calculate this for data and for voice users. All right. So again, you can just take the data and how much you sold from a revenue perspective on data, divide that by the number of users. Similarly for voice, how much revenue generated for voice and divide that for the number of users. So there are different derivatives of ARPU. Core principle though is you're saying how much revenue have you generated, how many users are there, and therefore for each user on average, how much did you manage to sell to them. The higher the ARPU, the better for the telecommunications company because they'll likely be more profitable.